Welcome to Painful Budgeter. I am Payne, and today we are doing some mini Mondays and some shoutouts. I didn't get too many new subscribers this week, so I thought I'd do some shoutouts for people who are almost to their first 100, those who are almost close to 500, and those who are getting close to their 1,000. And then also have a list of some people who need their 4,000 watch hours. They might have their 1,000 subs, but they need their 4,000 watch hours. So we'll do that a little bit later on. So stay tuned. And today we are going to be doing the 12 days of Christmas, because I need to get some more closer to the things. I actually did a count up of all of these. If you actually if you do the 12 days of Christmas, this will save up to $324 for this one. And you can always do it times or anything like that if you want more, or you can do, half the amount as well. And then with my other Christmas ones and what I have in my binder, so far I have $322. But if I actually fill them all up, if I get both of these done on top of what I already have on there, it'll be over $1,000. I'm going to try to aim for at least 600 to 800. That way I can at least cover everything. Might be a little more skimpy, but if I get 1,000, that'd be freaking fabulous. Once I get back from my vacation, whatever I have left over from vacation pay, I'll probably throw it into my holiday pay. I also need to get some money for Thanksgiving, because I usually split it between me and Dad. We both do about $100. And with the way the prices on everything has gone up, we might need to do at least $150 each, because it's prices out there are freaking ridiculous. If anybody out there that has a large family, I completely feel for you. Let's get my beverage is pretty much gone. Raise a toast to a new week for all y'all, be it coffee, be it adult beverage, or whatever, since this will be coming out on a Monday. All right. I am going to be doing $20. My regular $20 for my minis. I wish I had more money for my minis, but hey, at least I got it. I want to do some teeny Wednesdays or quarter Wednesdays or something like that, but I need to get this stuff for us. I have another binder coming in. I might shift some of this around, so hopefully we can get you more done. All right, let's see. I'm going to do 4 of them so I can get more money in each of them instead of like 6 like I used to do. 10. And these are Lords of Leaping. 10 Lords of Leaping. And the AI did this. I actually put in the AI, a lord leaping away from a beast at Christmas time. And for some reason, it actually has the Lord chasing looks like a Santa Claus line or werebear or werelion or something like that. And he looks freaking terrified. And the other guy looks really happy. So let's see if we can get that done up. And that is a 1. And yeah, a part fig and a pear tree. When I first started heard the song and stuff, I'm like, let's sing part fig and a pear tree. Oh wait, never mind. One of the boringest freaking songs out there. I tried to make it fun. 7. Is that Maids of Milking? Geese Swans of Swimming. I've had this a couple times, but I've never gotten any love on it. Let's see if we can get some love on it. This is a swan. She's in a frozen lake drinking some eggnog and using her own eggs. So yeah, that's cannibalism. I didn't realize that till after the fact. I'm like going, dude, I'm like eggnog and eggs and stuff. And I'm like going, those are probably her own eggs. Oh, a drumming. Now you can do this not like me. I'm doing a mini Monday type of style. So it's, just roll the dice. You can actually just do it $12 in, $7 in, all that type of stuff. Me, I just I'll put like, if this only gets $5, I'll put like $5 and I'll put a plus and I'll just kind of fill in half the amount of this stuff. And the next one I'll do like $2. This will be $5.2 and yeah, until it gets done. Alrighty. Some days I wish I had a bigger paycheck so I can save more and get stuff done, play more games, but I only have a set time, and I'm surprised. I'm going to have to go through my thing and see how much I've actually saved over the last couple months. I haven't done any videos like that because, one, there's an overabundance of people that already do that and already have 2 videos out a week. So I figure I didn't really need to do that. I might just do shorts of how much I've saved and stuff. But I didn't feel I needed to do more. I might later on because I also have another channel I want to come out. And so I'm going to be over amount of stuff later on. I also want to do some, I just got me a happy planner. So I might do some happy planner and get like at least 4. That way I have 4 other videos out, and so I'm getting more videos out, and hopefully that'll help with the algorithm. But it also depends on how much time I have. 2. I'll just do $2 a thing, so I can try to get some money in some of these. 3. Hey, bouncy, bouncy. Oh, don't go under the fridge. Oh, hold on. Dice down, dice down. 2. 1. Finally got 1 on 1. I don't know. Was that the one I didn't get? Which one was that? Oh, yeah, I already got some of that. I do need to finish one. I need a drummer. Oh, yes. 4. Drummer. And I got the spicy 5s. 1. And 2. Everybody's getting a little love this time. Pretty even, too. And 3. Actually, that's pretty even. Whoops. Put that in there. Put that in there. Alrighty. Let's see. That's what we got. We got $6 on that one. So I got $4 on that one. Another $4. Oh, is that 4? Oh, that one's $6. That one go a little extra. And that one, if I get a thing in the future that it's already filled up, then I'll just go the nearest one up and then just kind of do that way. All right, let's do some coloring. My favorite part. We got some Lords of Leaping. He got $4. This one is at 10. So this one actually finished off my bunny or my beast, my marshmallow beast. I don't know what that it is, but it's really cute. Whatever it is, let's see. I'm gonna do an orange. I got 1 middle one down. So let's do plus 4. But not 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. 7. Actually, that one's. Oh, well, I'm just gonna do 4. I'll have an extra $1 in this one, which is fine. So that should be 11 on that one. I can't read that, so I'm just going to put 4 plus 4. So that one will equal 11. You always add more. Always add more whenever you can. And this is a freebie. This is my last month's July freebie one, and I will make sure I link it in there so you can go and get you some. Let's do some drummers a drumming. We've got halfway there, 6. So we go 6 plus, and we will do some. May as well do Christmas colors, green, red, and whatever. My coloring is really, really good, ain't it? Oh yeah, green, red, and orange, because that's Christmas for you right there. Sorry, my enthusiasm level's kind of gone down, so I'm not like talking as much. I should, but I try to be talky, but some days it's just, end of the day. I had actually got a lot of stuff done today, and so now everything's kind of crashing. I'll have to get me some food. I need to go Costco and do some grocery shopping, so I'll get me something good afterward. That should getting a little good. Getting good. Swans of Simmon. Psalms of Simmon. Let's see. Let's do a red swan. We'll just do the main body on her. We'll just do the top part here. And the bottom part will be a different color. plus 4. One of these days, if I have an extra big paycheck, I should be getting like 3 weeks of vacation coming, so I might try to bump up some of these, and because I'll be switching jobs. And once I get through my, I'll probably put some in like a month ahead. And then once everything settles down and I know where I'm at, I might switch them into the vacation and fill in some of these. But, don't want to put them away and then have to take them out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty. That should take care of quite a few. 7, 8, 9. So almost a full. And I'll do a black fig. This is one that's been out for a couple days. Actually, it's kind of like what one of my pears look like. Yellow center. Let's fill in the center here. I know they're kind of more brownish. But pear. Let's do a red Bartlett. Is it Bartlett pear? And a yellow pear. Gotta get some green. Already green, but hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll have 3 left. And the other side will have the magical pears. The ones you probably don't want to eat because you'll end up waking up in some other land. Here's this little mint green. Not quite ripe yet pear. Those are the ones that you throw at people because they're hard as freaking rocks. Actually, normal pears are pretty hard. I'll do a brown one. Browns don't get loved that much. And I've seen brown figs. But this one's also magical because the inside's pink. Looks like something from the 60s, actually. Brown corduroy pants, pink shirts, green bandanas or something like that. Something really fugly. But groovy, man. You're like all nature-like. I don't know. I was not in the 60s. I'm not that old. My dad was. He was a kid in the 60s. Alrighty. Let's get some shout-outs for all of our lovely peoples. Our lovely peeps out there. Ellie on Earth. Actually, she subbed to me last week, but really early in the morning. So I usually go through there, and anything that's like 7 days and below, I usually do a shout out. So she's getting double shout out. She has 188K. Patrenelson. Oh, Patrenelson. I'm totally Patrenelson. Something Nelson. Just a nice watcher. Thank you for joining me. Doesn't have any subscriptions that I can like or watch, but thank you anyways for coming over and watching me. We got these are some of our ones that are either under 100, under 500, or under 1,000 who need to get bumped up to their next little. My brain just stalled. Their next little goal. Okay, Amy Budgets 1, 2, 3, which is just Amy Budgets. She has 49 subs, so she's almost to her 50. So, but we want to get her up to 100. This one I messed up last week so bad too. Citylus Cozy Corners. Kitila. I always screw up the C's for some dang reason, but C Cozy Corners. She has 86, so she's working towards her 100. Mom and Good Life 51. She's working towards her 100. Okay, those two look a lot alike. Mon and Me Budgets 40. That's probably why I messed up. She's working towards her 100, and we have Purple Glimmer Budgets. She's at 495. She's really close to her 500. So she'd be really easy to go over. If you haven't subbed her, go over and sub to her so she can get herself to her first 500. She has got it. Blah, blah, blah. She has got it. She's at 485, so she's really close to her 500. So go over there and give her some love. And these two are really close to their 1,000. their 1K. So let's go over there, get them the 1K and some watch hours. So we probably should add these guys to these guys as well because they're very close. They're probably in need of some watch hours. My girl budgeting, she's at 995. So she's like 5 away from when I check this and put this down. The budgeting baker 2023, or just the budgeting baker. She's at 976, so she's getting really close to her 1K. So go over there and give her some watch hours and some sub to her. She's really cool. I like watching her. She's really cool. And then I Desire Wealth. She needs to be up to her 4,000 by next September, or else starts taking the time off. And she's at 342.1 or 3,421. So she's about 500 hours away. So if you have a TV that you're not using at night, just kind of put them on and put a playlist that has 50 to 60 or 70. Just let it go. Just turn the sound down or off, and each day just do a different one. That way they can get some done. Or if you don't really use your phone to listen to other stuff at night, like I like to listen to music on mine, like nature sounds or universe sounds or Tibetan bowls and stuff to help me sleep. But if you don't, just turn them on and you can actually do a couple of these if you have a couple of different TVs, and turn them on and just let them play and in the background, and just flip your phone over so you don't get the light bugging you. But I Desire Wealth. The other one is Sit on a Budget. She is at 353. So these two are really close. So she's just shy of 500 as well, or a little more than 500 to her 4,000. So go over there and give them some watch hours. Bookish Mama Budgets. She's at 271. So she's at her halfway point. So she needs some major watch hours as well. And Nine Blossoms, she's at 185, 1,858 of her 400. So she's got a little ways to go. So we need to bump her up to at least the halfway point, if not more. So you guys make sure you go and put on your community posts. Just keep putting it every 2 days. I need this, because a lot of people get onto the YouTubes at different times, and they might not see it. So just keep pushing it. We're not going to think you're annoying. We all want to help, but a lot of times if we don't see it, we ain't going to think about it unless we write them down and then put it near our phone or something like that. And most of us got other stuff to do and we don't think about it. So in the morning, go and do it, and make sure you put community posts every 2 or 3 days, or at least once a week at the very least. So you let us know that you're in need of watch hours, and just start pumping them out as much as you can. There's enough of us out here that we could get them up and over their mark quickly if everybody just does, if you got 1,000 people, and if everybody on your watch hour, does 2 or 3 hours or something like that, if you're doing a long trip or something and you got an extra phone, just kind of have one start rolling and plug it in and let it go, and just turn the sound down. You don't have to watch them. They just need the hours. So just put them on, put them somewhere in the background where you're not using. If you're watching a movie with somebody, just put your phone on, put pick one of these people, and just, or anybody else that might be in need of. It doesn't have to be these guys, but anybody that's on your list who might need some, just go and do it. If you know of somebody who is in need of watch hours, please put it in my comments, and I'll make sure I add them to next week's Mini Mondays, and I'll also just write up a note for myself, and I'll try to get through some of these watch hours as well this weekend. And also I'm gonna watch all of these as well so they can get some hours as well. So hopefully you're having a wonderful Monday, and I will talk to you next Monday. Every Mondays I do shout outs. So if you're looking for new people, just come on over to my channel and get onto my description. I don't care if you watch my stuff, but just go and help people. If you can watch my stuff, that's freaking awesome. But if you just need new people, just go through some of my shout outs. Pretty much the last 2 months I've been doing shout outs on every Monday. So come on over, check out my description, and I will have them there. If not on a lot of times I also have them on the video as well. So, and I also have timestamps. So if you want to actually watch them, if I shouted out your name and you want to see where I shouted you out, just go to the timestamp and you can hear me mumble with the best of them. Talk to you later. Love y'all. Hope you have a great week. Bye.